Nigerians are being massacred, black people are being massacred. We all know that stupidity resides in the mind of black South African men and women, especially the men. Then let us evacuate them. Let's send them away immediately. Tanzania is already doing that. The president of Tanzania, is a woman. That woman already has closed the border between Tanzania and South Africa. And she gave them 48 hours ultimatum, as in all South Africans. Nigerians are being humiliated in South Africa because of the nonsensical xenophobic struggle there. What is xenophobia or what is xenophobia? Yes, xenos means strangers, phobia means fear. So fear of strangers, that's xenophobia. Yes, are we saying that the non-South Africans there are the only strangers in that country? Are you saying only Nigerians, Ghanaians, Zimbabweans are the only strangers in that country? What happens? What about the Pakistanis? What about the Dutch people that are living in South Africa? Are they not strangers? So the humiliation is too much. The video I'm making today is very, very simple. I talk about living in Africa, working in Africa, and also investing in Africa. What I want to talk about, because living in Africa, in South Africa, I beg your pardon, is becoming something else. Nigerians are being massacred, black people are being massacred. We all know that stupidity resides in the mind of black South African men and women, especially the men. So, the Nigerian government, my video today is for you. What are you doing to bring back our Nigerians, our Nigerian brothers and sisters, before they kill all of them in South Africa? So also you need to know the population of South Africans that are living in Nigeria. We need to do that. Once we know it, as in the population of South Africans living in Nigeria, then let us evacuate them. Let's send them away immediately. Tanzania is already doing that. The president of Tanzania, is a woman. That woman already has closed the border between Tanzania and South Africa. And she gave them 48 hours ultimatum, as in all South Africans, to leave our country. I think Nigeria should also follow suit. So our leaders, where are you? What are you doing? What is the population of South Africans living in Nigeria? It is time we send them packing. It is time we send them away, back to their country. If they want to continue to humiliate our people, if they want to continue to massacre our people, even if we are not going to do that in retaliation, I think the best thing is to send them off, to send them away. Nigeria, please, our leaders, we need to think about this. This is just the video, very, very short. I want to hear your comments in the comment section, and I will surely respond to it. So, till I come your way again, I remain ever sincerely yours. You'll be able to keep watching and keep supporting Travel Africa with Otsuba.